My name is James Chad and I'm the Commercial After Sales Team Leader for Nuaire. This year, Nuaire has launched a new health check service for our AHUs. The health check will ensure that your AHU is installed correctly and the control is set up to the site requirements. Today, we're on site at Eastern High School in Cardiff conducting a health check on an XBC 75 unit fitted with Nuaire's EcoSmart Classic controls. The health check will consist of a full mechanical check on the unit. We will ensure that the filters are in good condition. We will check the power supply is connected correctly to the control panel. We will also ensure that the control set points are fully to the site requirements. A check will be conducted on the heating and cooling outputs to ensure they operate as required. A full check will also be conducted on the bypass damper to ensure it is mechanically driving. A demo is also available as an option. This option covers service and maintenance intervals and any questions the facilities team may have on the operation of the unit and the control system. Our health check service will ensure that your AHU is ready for airflow commissioning. For full details, please refer to our website.